welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look at latest tech gadget that you can buy on Amazon. For more cool gadget videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also you can check these products link in the description.
We spend 1/3 of our lives while sleeping. However, do you sleep well? Or friendly material with streamlined design. 70 minutes of charging powers, 90 days of standby. Pegasi app can also monitor your sleeping conditions and provide customized sleep treatment programs.
My name is Sam, founder of Pegasi. I was a PhD candidate at the Medical School of University of Wisconsin-Madison years ago. I decided to start this company to help those who suffer from insomnia, to help them get out their darkest night and embrace a better and brighter future. Making a product isn't hard. What is hard is to make a product that actually works, a product that can truly help with sleep problems. If you are one of those millions who needs a better sleep, go and get one of these glasses. There's nothing a good night's sleep cannot solve.
In your world, 0.2 of a second is everything. It's the difference between standing atop the podium or staring up at it. That quest for glory starts right here.
5 a.m. in a freezing pool.
You know the drill. What you don't know? A little backstory. The pace clock, invented in 1949 by this bloke.
Ah, crikey.
Your life in the pool revolves around the pace clock. How are you supposed to track your time if you can't always see it?
Bit old-fashioned, yeah?
Ex-competitive swimmer Dan thought so too.
I'm frustrated. When I swim, my face is here, but the pace clock is over there.
Frustrated Dan led to Action Dan, so Dan built Form, a company hell-bent on inventing swim goggles with a smart display. We're talking the same display tech found in fighter jets. Boom. Cue flip of the script. With the Form swim goggles, you've got a front row seat to in-activity readouts like stroke rate, splits, and intervals, all displayed right in front of your eyeballs, real time. It's almost like your coach is right there with you. We're not here to replace this guy. We just want to add the tech to your technique. With the Form swim goggles, you can hone your focus and accurately measure your effort so your coach can go back to doing what he's great at.
108.67.
Go again.
If life for you is the day in and day out grind for glory, then stop guessing, start swimming with the Form swim goggles. It's about time.
One moment you're taking this amazing shower, and the next thing you know, your drain is stopped by hair, causing an inconvenient and gross way to start your day. But with the shower shroom, you don't have that problem because it's the most effective way to prevent clogged drains. This amazing product is made to accommodate 2-inch walk-in shower drains. Simply insert the shower shroom for a quick and easy install. The hair wraps neatly around the cylinder, keeping it out of sight and all in one place, allowing for the water to continue to flow freely. The shower shroom catches every strand, every time. To remove the hair, simply lift it up and wipe it off, just like that. Have a pet you need to wash? The shower shroom protects your drain from your dog's long hairs. Made from high-grade materials, the shower shroom is completely safe and keeps you from having to use any of those harmful acid-based liquid solutions that can damage your plumbing. So save some time, avoid plumbing fees, and get your shower shroom today.
My name is Mike, and we're here in the kitchen today to talk to you about No Cry cut resistant gloves. Now, these gloves are level 5 cut resistant. It's actually 4 times stronger than that of leather. Now, you want to remember that while these gloves can handle cutting like this, or even holding the blade like that, you still really want to avoid any sort of puncturing like that, or cutting down on the fingers like this, because they're meant for really preventing any sort of mistakes. Now, I want to show you how to cut like a pro, and luckily for you, No Cry cut resistant gloves will help prevent any sort of rookie mistake.
Most people are aware of the need for front and rear bike lighting, but often overlook the importance of side visibility. Light up your evening rides while staying seen and safe with the spoke lit from Night Eyes. The ring of light the spoke lit creates on your moving wheel provides active visibility and, of course, an undeniably cool look. Available in blue, green, red LEDs and color-changing disco, which continuously cycles through the color spectrum, these lights increase your visibility on after-hour adventures. The spoke lit has 2 modes. Press once for steady glow and twice for flashing. Click the light one more time to turn it off when the fun is moving on. The long-lasting LED lights are water-resistant and will fit most 3-spoke cross-pattern wheels. To install the spoke lit, simply press one of these notches into a spoke, then slide the light up towards your rim. Friction securely locks the spoke lit in place, even if your ride gets a bit bumpy. The 2 2016 lithium batteries are easy to replace and will keep you glowing for 20 hours or flashing for 25. Used in combination with front and rear lights, you can stay seen and safe at every angle as you cruise about, having a blast with spokelets from Night Eyes.
Bye.